you're doing. I hope you're doing good. Thank you for stopping by. If it's the first time here on my channel, my name is Busola. To my OGs that have always been coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. So today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. First things first, my face is moisturized. Okay, I use my serum, I use my moisturizer, so I'm just going to get into my brows. Your beauty blender and your foundation, like just to like get rid of the oil, because my skin gets very oily quick. I'm going to use this matte primer right on my T-zones. Okay, just, you know, it's not gonna affect the foundation. I'm supposed to use it before my foundation, but I forgot, so I might as well just do it now. You see, make sure it's sharp like that. I want it very sharp. See, so just outline following your natural line, brow shape, right? Skip the front. You see the front, skip it, just line. This is what it should look like when you draw your outline. Don't worry, you'll fix it, don't worry. Okay, so now we're going to fill in with our brown pencil. NYX micro pencil in what shade? Espresso. Right, so you're going to use this to fill in your brows, like you're drawing strokes. That's what you're gonna do. I'm going with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So, you know, just squeeze some of that on your hand, right? I mean, this amount should be okay. My brush, I just go with a flat brush. So if you're a beginner, take your time with this, okay? People that are doing makeup will just go so booms and that is it. If you're a beginner, take your time, okay? So you come underneath here and voila. You see? Exactly. So when you're choosing your concealer, right, I would advise you go for a shade 2 times lighter than your skin tone. Understand? Yeah, so go for a shade 2 times lighter than your skin tone. And if I'm to recommend any brand, I think I'll recommend this. I've been using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and it's been good, right? I have no problem with it. I have the MAC Cosmetics concealer. Would I recommend? Yes, I mean, why not? But it's a good brand, but we know it's pricey. Okay, so my dear, if you always wear makeup every time, I mean, I want affordable stuff that if it finishes anytime, you can always go for it. I mean, go for the LA Girl Pro Concealer. That, I mean, quite affordable. And like, say you have like outings where you know you want to beat your face and you want your face to, you want the makeup to eat. Then you can buy the high-end brands and be like, okay, you know, for certain occasions I'm going to use the high-end brand. So, you know, that could, yeah, you could do that. But like I showed you here, do it same here. Remember, your brows are sisters, okay? They're not twins. The top part now, to clean up the top part, you use your foundation. So the foundation has to be the color of your skin. Get the foundation as the color of your skin, okay? So this is the foundation I'm using here. Y'all know the foundation I told you guys already. So the foundation, just squeeze some on the back of your hand with the same brush, okay? The same brush, go in and clean up the front part, following the following the skeleton, okay? And if, like, you know, it's not so good, the skeleton is not so nice, you know, as you are taking it down, you try to form the arch, you know, just try to form the shape you want. You see that? You see? Exactly. This foundation dries up really fast because it's matte, so I like to spread it out quickly before it dries. So now you want to get your same concealer again, your damp beauty blender, and yeah, I still have some concealer here, so I'm just going to go into it. I still have some here, right? And then apply it to my upper lids. Blend it out very well, you know. Blend it out. You hear me? I say blend it. I'm done here. So I'm just going to take some. I just apply it like, let's see. You guys, I really need to restock on makeup also. blending, you want to set it, right? I mean, some people skip this part, some people do this part. I love to do this part. I don't like skipping this. So sometimes I go with a powder that is the same shade as my concealer, and sometimes I just go for this translucent powder. This powder doesn't give color to it, nothing at all. It's just to set it, right? It's white, as you can see. It's white, so it doesn't do any, it doesn't add color, it just set it. It just goes so boom, 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 like I dust it off. Yeah, dust it off. See, this is Warrior by Juvia, so we're going with the black because we're doing a black smoky eye today. Let's take the black. You don't need too much, okay? It's very pigmented. If you have hooded eyes like me, listen up. Once you're applying the eyeshadow, apply it above your crease, because if you have hooded eyes, see, if you apply it on your crease, it's good. When you close your eye, people won't see the color, so you want to go above your crease. Okay, so right here, you see this line, you see this overlap here, that's where you want to put the color. Apply it over there, right? That is where you want to apply it. This is Juvia's Palace bronzer, right? You see this brush, I'll take it and then blend over it. See, blend it up. Don't let it go too up. You don't want it to like go very high. Remember, you have hooded eyes. You see what we have now? The black is above our crease. We're going to take the orange color to blend it in and see that like this, we don't have that ash line. We want to get rid of that ash line, so the orange color will go right here where it meets. The more you blend, the more that demarcation goes, the more the ash line goes away. So we're done with this eye. We'll go to this eye now. You see it's coming together. Yes. So like I said, you go in with your black first above your crease, and then you blend with a lighter color, which will be like your transition color. So I blended with this orange mostly, and then I did tap into this a little bit, not so much, but I use this a lot. And then this is the black I use. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer because this is very much pigmented and it's black we're working with. You have to be very careful, okay?
Love like a mountain,
and right here in front. I like working in sections and I'm not in a rush, okay? You see, you can barely see the ash lines.
never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run.
Now I'm going to go in with my cream blush. I'm going to be using a red blush this time around because if you're dark skin, red is going to be nice. You can't go wrong with red. That's just it. Your cheekbone right here. Bend it in, okay? Just like stamp it. Continue to stamp it. Don't take it too far, just continue to stamp. I did my eyeliner off camera. This is Feed Me Toffee Press Powder. This is what I'm going to be using. This, rub it in your palms, right? Rub it in your palms and then go soft.
That much that I deem you worthy to receive my
bronzer. Dip into the tube and everywhere I apply that. You see?
Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one.
This powder is yellowish in color, right? And that's what I'm going to use to bake. Okay, it's the Black Opal True Color loose powder. Take that same sponge, right? Take it, dust it, and then you don't want to do too much with this, you know, because this powder is very yellow. Take some, dust that some, blow it, and then put it in your eyes. Put it underneath your eyes. Grab any brown pencil. Don't let it be too dark. If it's too dark, it's a problem.
said it, we believe the man of your word.
We're not done with the eyes. We're going to go ahead with our, this is a waterproof protection eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, it's a lip liner. You can use that both. So I'm going to put it underneath my eyes like this one. So you want to be very careful, okay? You're going to take this puff as well in a triangular way. Put it right there, so, and line.
You said you believe it. 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 You said if you said it, we
Y'all doing good. It's been so long, but no, it's not. Yeah, and it's, I think it's matte, right? Hold on. No, it's wrong foundation. Sorry. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm microwaving my food already.